Here I have CoolPAD Porto, and let me show you how to enter and insert here the SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key to switch off the device, choose power off, and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to find the tray. The tray is located at the left edge of the device, right here, and you need to use some thumb tag or the special eject tool. In my case, let me show you how to do it by using the thumb tag. Let's just press it into this hole right here to open the whole tray. Now you can remove the whole tray from your device, and here you can insert the micro SIM and micro SD card. So let's start by using the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Let's insert also the micro SIM. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Put this card right here. Let me do it again, sorry. Let's put it right here. And now we are ready to insert the whole tray into your device. So let me do it. Let's push it to the end. And now press power key to switch on the device. And let me make sure that both cards works properly. As you can see, the CoolPAD is switching on. Excellent, let's unlock the screen. Let me find and select the settings. Here I have settings. So let's scroll down and let's find and select storage. Scroll down, and as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so it means that our micro SD was installed properly. You may also see right here that the device is connected to one of the mobile networks, so it means that the micro SIM is also working just fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.